Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with the Dose of Colors collection, the Dose of Colors and ILUVSARAHI collection. In today's video, we're going to be demoing this eyeshadow palette right over here. I also go in with trying the Sol Mate highlighter, and I'll show you two lipsticks that I got. I got Aesthetic and Fresa, which look like this. So if you guys want to see how I did this eye look, then just keep on watching. We're basically going to start first with the eyeshadow palette, which I'm very excited about. The packaging looks like this, and these are the eyeshadow colors. They're so pretty, and of course my favorite one would have to be this one, which is the terracotta color. Of course this blue one, which is like so cute. I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer as my eyeshadow base. A major light upgrade. I finally invested in a ring light and I think it looks better, way better. I'm gonna go in this color first. Just start a little bit of a guideline. I'm gonna switch off to a smaller brush. I'm gonna take this one right here. This is just one from Kylie. That is Poquito Más. This terracotta one. I'm going to take that one with this brush, which is also fluffy, but it's a little more tapered. I'm going to take it straight into the crease. Oh my god, so pretty, look. So I used to have like an eyeshadow, I still have the eyeshadow palette from Sephora collection, and it had this beautiful terracotta eyeshadow that I think I already finished because I loved it so much I used to use it all the time. There's no black eyeshadow here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one right here, the one that has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to take it on a smaller brush, and I'm going to just pat that in on my outer corner. And I know it's going to have a little bit of shimmer, but I just want a little bit of... I'm going to start by packing it in the place that you want it, and then go with the same brush and just blend it in. I'm also going to take that same eyeshadow, the black one with the shimmer, and I'm going to take it in the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit more on that same brush, just a little bit, tap off the excess, and just really get it into this little corner right here, because I just wanted to make sure that it's like blended out. And then I'm just going to connect it right in the crease area. I'm going to go in with this one. This one is called Palma. I'm going to take that eyeshadow and put it straight into the center. And we can also blend it in towards the outer corners. Thank you. Eyeshadow, smaller brush. Tap off the excess and just touch up a little bit on the corner. And since these shadows have shimmer, the best thing to do is to just tap it into your eyes as opposed to blending it in. Because if you blend it in, it gets messy. I'm going to take the same eyeshadow, which is Palma, and I'm just going to buff it into the bottom part. Well, I don't want to put eyeliner with this. I'm just going to put mascara. I think the eyeshadow makes a nice statement, and I'm going to put lashes, so it's going to look nice. Why do we do such the ugliest faces when we do eyeliner and when we do mascara? I don't get it. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna come back to show you the highlight and the lipstick as well. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with lashes. So you see how the lashes really gave it a big pop. I'm wearing the Sephora Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos, and these are really nice. I've had these for a while. I've used them so many times. I don't know how many times. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing these lashes. But these lashes are really nice because they're so dramatic, and that's just how I like them. I put on bronzer, I put on concealer, so everything is good. So now I'm just going to go in with the highlight. The highlight that I got is the same packaging. I got the color Sol Mate, and it's so pretty. It's like this golden highlight. You can see right there. Really, really pretty. Looks like this. swatched. And then if I swatch it in my hand, that's what it looks like. I'm going to use that as my highlight today. Ooh, so pretty. I don't want to wear any blush today just because I don't know. I want to wear a bold lipstick. So I don't think I need blush. A little brush. And I'm going to put some on my inner tear duct for a little bit of a highlight. So pigmented.
I'm talking to my viewers.
I'm just gonna set everything with a little bit of a spray. I'm using the Olecanixin Truth Facial Water. I purchased 2 lipsticks. I purchased Aesthetic and I purchased Fresa. Fresa is the one. Fresa is the one that's like reddish color. Looks a little something like this. Oh, I have so much product in my hand. Looks like this. It's like a pinky reddish color. So pretty. It's not like really red and it's not like really pink. It's like in the middle, so it's nice. That's a nice color. I wanted to see what that would look like on my skin tone. It looks nice. And I got Aesthetic, which is a terracotta color that is gonna be bomb for the fall. Looks like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think I'm gonna apply this one because it just goes with the look. So that's what I'm gonna do. They smell really good. You smell it? Oh my god. Smell like a dessert. Guys, this is the completed look. This is what I came up with. So pretty much the eye look came out really nice with the eyelashes. It really emphasizes the lack of eyeliner, so it just makes it look a little more smoky and like more like, you know, cute. I think so. And also the lipstick is really nice. I don't necessarily think that it complements the eye look. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I would have liked to worn like more of a nude, but I really wanted to try that eye color, that lipstick color. Is it me, or does this lipstick look a little bit lighter than it looked on the website or on Karen, which is ILUVSARAHI, so I'm not sure. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what else you would like to see. And I will be recording more regularly now that I have my ring light, because I won't have to wait for like proper daylight, because it was like the weather was crazy. It was like raining all the time and there was barely sun, so it was a little bit of a struggle. But now I have a light, so I'll be doing more videos soon. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.